Another remake. Is this crown already broken?
The dental lab process is broken. Hi, we're Dandy, the full-service digital dental lab built to help you harness the future of dentistry. Our revolutionary workflow starts with an intraoral scan. We provide you with the best restorative scanner on the market for free. Worried your scan isn't perfect? A Dandy expert can review it live while your patient is still in the chair. Our system collects your RX, preferences, and patient photos all at once, so ordering is seamless. You even have the option to review designs before our world-class lab starts production, ensuring predictable outcomes for you and your patients. Throughout the fabrication process, you easily can track and manage cases, collaborate, and get real-time support from our lab techs. Other labs can take weeks, but our industry-leading turnaround times deliver treatment to your patient in days. This denture only took 2 appointments.
Wow.
We help thousands of practices deliver wow factor dentistry every day. Click the link below to book your demo, because the future of dentistry is Dandy.